Steel is a vital material that we use in countless ways. From buildings to machinery, steel is the backbone of modern civilization. But not all steel is created equal. Today we are going to learn about a specific type of steel that we specialize in, 1117 steel. 1117 steel is a low-carbon steel alloy that contains both manganese and sulfur. The low carbon content makes it easy to weld, while the added manganese increases its hardenability and strength. The sulfur helps to improve the machinability of the steel, making it easier to work with. 1117 steel bars are used in a wide range of applications, including automotive parts, hydraulic fittings, bolts, and screws. Its high machinability and strength make it ideal for use in parts that require precision machining, tight tolerances, and high strength. At Advanced Grinding, we take pride in our ability to provide our customers with the highest quality precision ground 1117 steel bars, all while offering exceptional customer service. Our centerless grinding process produces round bars with tight tolerances and a smooth finish, making it ideal for use in a variety of industries. Advanced Grinding, your trusted partner for precision ground 1117 steel bars.